Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with your business updates for today. More Jamaican entrepreneurs are looking to earn more from the food they produce, and the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, JBDC, says many are now turning into food processing. The agency says business owners are showing growing interest in dried goods manufacturing, developing products such as blended seasonings and other packaged food items instead of relying solely on traditional dried spices. JBDC says it is helping entrepreneurs develop and test products through its consultation services and food incubator facilities before bringing them to market.
We're talking about everything from even dried soup mixes, dried porridge mixes, pancake mixes, cake mixes, and this can we talk about for particular product in that area, which is for convenience, but it's also about preservation and having options for food. And a lot of them still hang on to that, what we've been talking about for the past few weeks in terms of being healthy, being functional, and satisfying certain or catering to certain lifestyle choices that some people have, So generally, that's what we're looking at.
Food processing has long been viewed as one way of generating greater value from agricultural products by extending shelf life and creating products that can be packaged, branded, and sold more widely. And Epley Limited's latest results show that its asset management business is playing an increasingly important role in supporting earnings. The investment company reported a 21% increase in first quarter net profit to $298 million, with fee income from assets under management rising by $20 million to $155 million. According to the company, the increase was driven largely by higher management and performance fees generated by Caribbean Mezzanine Fund 2. Gross investment income also rose to $464 million from $400 million in the corresponding quarter last year. At the same time, lower borrowing costs helped to strengthen profitability as interest expenses declined to $156 million from $167 million due to debt amortization and what the company described as prudent debt management. Epley said it continues to see opportunities across lending, leasing, real estate, infrastructure, and asset management as it pursues further earnings growth through its diversified business platform. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody and Barrett. Thanks for watching.